addiction. I just can't help myself, don't want nobody else. I'm so crazy about you, and I'd do anything to please you, and I see myself to feed you. I just can't help myself, don't want nobody else. I'm so crazy about you. I get so weak in my knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me. And the face it looks so amazing, it's not a phase. I want you to stay with me. From my side, I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, it knocks me right off of my feet. I can't explain why your love it makes me brown eyes, brown eyes. Finally, now I realize that only your smile can move me, just like a movie with love midnight. Mary, Mary, quite contrary, but it's a garden road. Girl, I bet you I can wet you really nice and slow. One day Mary, she got tired and left me on my own. I wonder if Mary knows that I'm all alone. Many people say what you're doing is forbidden, and some of them even call you a sinner. They don't even feel the pain that you go through. Open your chains, and he don't even tell you that he loves you, and he don't even tell you that you're beautiful. He don't put it on you right, leaving you unsatisfied. I'm letting you know that I am the one to take care of all of the above. You can just call on me, and I'm gonna be there for you, babe. 'Cause I'm the one that you call when you're doing it wrong. Boy, you already know that I can be the one to please your every need, even your fantasy.